Liam sees AI right now. He calls it fertile ground, a gold rush for those willing to put in the work.
So it's about spotting the opportunity and going for it, kind of like those early adopters.
Exactly. And Liam actually lays out 5 different AI business models you can start. Want to hear about them?
Absolutely. Let's hear it.
Okay, so he starts with the 2 he considers the most accessible:
Which are? Don't keep me in suspense.
AI consulting and AI education.
Okay, those sound intriguing. Break it down for me.
So AI consulting, right? Imagine this. You're charging like over $1,000 an hour.
Wait, seriously, $1,000 an hour just for talking about AI?
That's what Liam did. He was basically sharing his knowledge about AI tools, showing businesses how to use them. No need to build any crazy tech, just got to know how to apply AI to real-world problems.
Wow, that's pretty incredible. What about AI education? What does that look like?
That's huge right now. Think online courses, ebooks, workshops, anything that helps people upskill in the AI world.
Yeah, it makes sense. Everyone's trying to figure out this whole AI thing.
Exactly. And the demand is only going to keep growing, right, as AI becomes more ingrained in our lives.
Totally. So those are the more accessible models. What about if you're ready to, level up?
Okay, so for those wanting more, Liam has 3 more models: AI agencies, AI SaaS, and AI freelancing.
Okay, those sound a bit more intense, maybe.
They do require a bit more technical understanding, yeah.
Yeah.
But Liam breaks them down in a way that makes it feel doable.
Well, walk me through it. Let's start with AI agencies. What are we talking about there?
So picture this.
Yeah.
A business wants to automate its customer service, right? They need a chatbot. An AI agency swoops in to design, build, and implement that chatbot for them.
So you're basically taking the AI burden off their hands.
Exactly. And here's the cool part. Liam says there are different tiers within this model. So you've got no code for beginners, low code for those with some coding experience, and then fully custom coded solutions for the tech wizards. So no matter your skill level, there's a place for you in the AI agency world.
I like it. Choose your own adventure based on your comfort with code.
Exactly. Now, AI size, that's software as a service.
Oh, okay. So like you're building actual
Or
software.
Think of it like, Grammarly, but with AI superpowers.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me more about AI SaaS.
It's definitely more resource intensive. You've got to be in it for the long haul.
Right, building a whole software product, yeah.
But the potential payoff,
Yeah.
recurring revenue, high valuations if you decide to sell later on, it's a whole other ballgame.
Gotcha. So AI SaaS, that's for the serious entrepreneurs, those ready to build something big.
For sure. But what about those who love variety, being their own boss?
Freelancing. Is there an AI version of that?
Yep, AI freelancing. Basically, you're offering your AI skills for hire. Think like fine-tuning models for clients, building custom tools.
Oh, so instead of writing or designing, you're doing AI development gigs.
Exactly. High demand, flexible hours. You can even use it as a stepping stone to launching your own agency or SaaS product down the line.
That's pretty cool. You can gain experience and potentially build something bigger from it.
And that's what I love about how Liam presents these models. It's not like you're stuck on one path. He actually calls it a leapfrogging strategy.
Leapfrogging. I like the sound of that. Tell me more.
It's like you're strategically hopping from one lily pad to the next, right? Gaining momentum as you go, reaching new heights in your AI business.
And Liam's a perfect example of that. He started with AI consulting, built up his knowledge, made those client connections.
Right, like he built that solid foundation first.
Exactly. And that became his launch pad for Morningside AI, his agency. He could offer those bigger, more complete solutions.
Wow, so starting with consulting, then jumping to an agency, it's like a natural progression.
It's all about leveraging what you've got, right? Those insights he got from consulting, pure gold when he started the agency. He knew exactly what businesses needed.
So smart. Each step, it's not just about doing that thing, but learning, growing, setting yourself up for that next leap.
You got it. And hold on, there's more to his story. With the agency doing well, having those resources, he took another leap, went into AI SaaS, launched his platform, Agentive.
He's like climbing that AI business ladder, one strategic jump at a time.
That's a great way to put it, but I know what you're thinking. Even with a roadmap, this AI world can feel intimidating, right?
Totally, especially as an entrepreneur. You have the right skills.
Don't worry, Liam's got us covered. He breaks down 5 essential skills, things every AI entrepreneur needs. And get this, you don't need to be a coding genius.
Okay, now you've got my attention. What's first on the list?
Prompt engineering, it's about talking to those AI models, like ChatGPT, getting them to give you what you want.
ChatGPT, I've heard of that. But prompt engineering sounds kind of technical.
It's simpler than it sounds. Think of it like ordering food. You wouldn't just walk into a kitchen and expect the chef to know what you want, right?
Right. Got to give them the order.
Exactly. Prompt engineering is giving that AI chef a clear recipe. Details, context, examples. You guide the AI to create the output you're looking for. Liam even has these cool techniques. Role prompting, shot prompting, makes a huge difference.
So it's not just typing a question. It's about strategy, right?
It's
Getting that AI to work with you.
100%. Now, skill number 2, understanding APIs.
APIs. Okay, you got to be honest. That one always makes me a little nervous.
I get it, but they're not as scary as they sound. Imagine this. You're ordering takeout using your favorite app. Behind the scenes, that app's talking to the restaurant system. That's the API at work, a messenger so different apps can communicate.
So how does that translate to AI, though?
Think of all those AI tools and platforms out there. Lots of them have APIs. You can connect them to other software, even build your own AI-powered stuff.
Wait, so I could, like, connect the chatbot to a customer database?
Exactly. Or integrate sentiment analysis into your social media. The possibilities are pretty endless.
APIs. From scary to super powerful. Okay, what's next? What's skill number 3?
AI tool creation. This is where things get exciting. We're not just using AI tools anymore, we're building them.
Hold on, building my own AI tools. That sounds way too advanced.
Here's the thing. You don't necessarily need to be a coding whiz anymore. Liam talks about these no-code platforms like Relevance AI. They make it so much easier to build AI-powered tools.
No coding. Seriously.
Seriously, they have these user-friendly interfaces, pre-built stuff. You can bring your AI tool ideas to life without writing a single line of code.
Okay, I need an example. What kind of tool can I build with that?
Let's say you're a social media manager, right? Tired of coming up with captions. You could build a tool that analyzes your content, picks out keywords, and then, boom, generates a bunch of caption options for you.
That's amazing. It's like AI is leveling the playing field, giving everyone access to this stuff.
Exactly. Now, on to skill number 4, AI auditing.
AI auditing. That sounds intriguing. What's that all about?
Imagine a detective for businesses. An AI auditor looks at how a business runs, finds places where AI can help, and then recommends the right solutions. They're like, hey, you could use AI to streamline this process, or AI could help you make better decisions here.
So it's like AI consulting, but laser focused on finding practical AI uses within a business.
You got it. Super valuable skill, especially since so many businesses are now like, okay, AI, we know it's important, but how do we actually use it?
It's like being that AI translator, bridging the gap between the tech and the real-world application. Okay, we've got one more essential skill, right? What's number 5?
ChatGPT coding.
We talked about ChatGPT before. How does coding fit in?
Even with no-code platforms making things easier, sometimes you might need to get your hands a little dirty with code. And when that happens, ChatGPT can be your new best friend.
Okay, I'm listening. How so?
Imagine you're building some custom feature for your AI tool, but you're stuck on this one coding problem. You can actually use ChatGPT to help you troubleshoot, figure out what's wrong, or even generate code snippets to get you unstuck.
It's like having a coding buddy on call 24/7.
Exactly. You don't have to be a coding master, but understanding the basics, how to talk to ChatGPT in a way it understands, that's key.
This is blowing my mind. AI isn't just changing businesses, it's changing what skills we need to succeed. This whole deep dive has been eye-opening. The future of AI, it's not some far-off thing, it's being shaped right now by people like us.
100%. So what are you thinking? What AI business model speaks to you the most?
Honestly, what excites me is that we don't have to choose just one path. We can start somewhere, anywhere, and then leapfrog as we go, just like Liam taught us.
I love that. And you know what? The perfect time to start was yesterday. The second best time. It's right now.
Exactly. So what's one small step our listeners can take today? Try out a new tool. Connect with someone in the AI world. The possibilities are endless. That's it for this deep dive. Go out there and make those AI dreams a reality.